How many times have you seen a Thermomix in a movie or on TV? Hi, my name is Diana, the Dummy Cook, and today I want to share with you a compilation of videos where we can see the Thermomix in the big and small screen. Look, here it is in many cooking shows and contests around the world.
3.5 hours to go, come on.
And also my pumpkin filling. Moving on to my Snickers mousse, Eddie's mousse. It was soft and chocolatey.
Months of fiery competitions came to a boil as Singapore unveiled its newest MasterChef. It had been a close battle with the 24-year-old a day after his big win. He's whipping up a meal for the two of us.
Jonathan, you are our new master chef.
Tô fazendo uma base de caju que a gente vai fazer uma sobremesa.
Straight to the top, never going down, don't wait for the drop. Never stand still, that's the motto. Yeah, brand new bands for the auto. Whoa, foot to the ground, full throttle.
I love it! Look at how many Thermomixes they have in that shelf. It's their go-to appliance.
Top 7, welcome back ke Galeri MasterChef Indonesia.
Mari kita sambut Jesslyn. Ngelihat Jesslyn nyuruh-nyuruh Chef Juna, ini kayak berasa lucu. Aku pakai.
Mario,
Ya, Chef.
bikin apa?
Making a mousse by combining mushroom stock and a good glug of the Bristol cream in the Thermomix.
If you want to smell in there, it's kind of, there's mushroom based, there's that sherry coming through,
Oh my gosh.
creamy, rich.
You really can. It's really, that's lovely.
Yeah, so it's not...
And many online stars and influencers are talking about it.
Meanwhile, I'm bad at cooking, but last week I synced my iPhone and only wiped half my photos, so I'm kind of a tech wizard. Therefore, I'm going to cook the food-intolerant version of hot wet rice in the little German death machine.
The key to really good ube is,
Fresh ube?
yes, but also constant speed and temperature control. This, my friends, is a Thermomix. It mixes and it cooks at the same time.
This guy's hilarious. Please watch it.
Cooking some healthy bolognese for the kids. I'll cook. I'll do it in the Thermomix. No, it's fine. I've already started. Well, how about we have a race? No, we're not. On your marks, get set, go.
Some onion in there.
What are you doing? I'm chopping onions. Me too. Where's the pan? Saute. What are you doing? I'm cooking. Beep, beep, beep. Of course it can. Where did you go? Cooking's so relaxing.
We also have famous people using it.
I've seen these. I'm dying to see what happens.
Thermomix is the most incredible machine on the planet. It replaces everything in the kitchen, including yourself. Lobster mac and cheese, lobster jalapeno mac and cheese.
Okay.
So we're making the topping right now. Correct, yeah.
Got
Well,
it.
our recipes are all 100% guided. So the great thing is it can go into different languages as well. So it cooks at controlled temperatures. It
What
starts...
kind of witchcraft you got going on over here? What does that thing mean? Where did that go? Whoa, whoa, whoa.
It's called a varoma, means vapor with aroma, and you can put flavored water in, and you can steam dumplings, fish, vegetables. You can do a whole chicken in here.
You make enough?
I mean, I think so.
Well, I think the recipe is dynamite.
Yeah, so who made this?
But I got to be honest with you, I've never seen anything like that. It seemed too good to be true.
So you make a powder of it? It smells wonderful. So it's time to grind with chicken broth and oregano, garlic, onion. We have our mole paste here. Look at this. That smell. It's nice. Okay, here goes the mole.
And it has been spotted at Stanley Tucci's kitchen or even Ronaldo's kitchen. Yeah, the soccer player. But my favorite endorsement was the one Whoopi Goldberg gave at The View, because she was so excited to share Thermomix with the world, and because I was actually there that day. Watch.
I'm gonna shock you. This thing has got me in the kitchen. The Thermomix TM7. All-in-one multi-cooker, it's without a doubt one of my favorite things.
Basically, the TM6 can weigh, chop, grate, blend, sous vide, slow cook, all in one appliance.
Yes.
Basically replaces the need for a blender, a stand cooker, even a slow cooker. One of the most game-changing parts of it is it connects to Cook I Do, which is our digital recipe platform of more than 80,000 guided cooking recipes. Our recipe team has set the time, temperature, and speed for every recipe, so it removes the guesswork and ensures restaurant quality meals. And we're going to follow the steps on here, which tell us to weigh in quartered onions. Look how big chunks. Yeah. We're going to do some whole garlic. You can choose how much you want to put in there. We're going to weigh in, kids love it. Yeah, you can weigh in your olive oil and also some butter. And then using the high heat mode, the Thermomix is going to saute all of this together in just 3 minutes. Your kitchen smells incredible, and then it chops it.
Saute it.
Right.
Saute it.
It sautés it. It smells amazing, and then it chops it for you in 3 seconds, so you don't have to worry about chopping your onions.
Okay. Tommy and Maria. Maria, who cooks for me, and Tom, who is my business partner. They're in a battle. They got these.
Yes, that was me. I earned a Thermomix contest, and they flew me to New York to be at her show that day.
They are doing it. And
Tommy, you have this?
Yes, and all weekend, that's all I did.
This product is so amazing that, guess what, y'all? Each and every one of you are getting one. Wednesday at midnight Eastern, and Hannah's special.
But look at what she said off camera. She kept talking about how Thermomix is amazing for 4 more minutes.
You have kids going to college, this is what you want, because this they'll use and eat. They will eat anything they need to because they can make it all there in that space. When I tell you that the risotto is off the hook and it's 13 minutes, 13 minutes, okay? 13. Do you know how long risotto takes to cook? Yes. Fucking ever. This thing is beyond. How is it great? It's life-changing. And she's been my chef 17 years.
Yep, that's her personal chef. See how she's not intimidated by having a Thermomix in her kitchen. It's her sous chef.
This thing is really remarkable. It's really remarkable, and I wish you great cooking with it. But if you get an opportunity and you enjoy it, will you write to them and let them know that you loved this? And then if you're a person who posts things, post about it. Because I think people should have it. I think people should have Toto toilets and I think they should have.
And of course, it's in movies and series too.
I have a perfect solution for you. All 3 of you are getting a revolutionary kitchen device. It's the Thermomix TM7. Thermomix is the company leading the way with tech smart kitchen appliances. It's like having a second pair of hands doing the work for you, whether you're a pro at slicing or if they're learning how to boil water. Thermomix takes out all the prep work so you can spend more time with people you love. Each Thermomix TM6 includes a 2-year warranty, a 6-month membership to Cook I Do, and a free getting started session with a Thermomix independent consultant. This is all worth $1,500.
Oh my God! Okay, there's like one. What is this enormous box?
Dirty, but it's actually really cool.
This is gonna come up, mommy. Can you take that?
The girls help me wrap it.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Start with
You
the
want to
ribbon.
open it? Baby, back up so I can see mommy.
What?
Alright, so this is different.
Thermomix.
12 different appliances all rolled in one. It does like mixing, weighing, kneading, chopping, everything. But,
Wow.
You know, it's perfect for like making things. Hey guys, you gonna make mommy a big birthday pizza?
Yes.
Yeah.
What is that? Is that a, can you make smoothies in that thing?
You can.
Yeah?
This is an obnoxious, I'm going to say obnoxious, but it's awesome.
because it's extremely expensive. It's called a Thermomix. A lot of restaurants use it. I'm a big advocate of it. But it does everything. It cooks, it blends, it steams. It does a measure. Yeah. You can cook in it.
Like a crock pot, kind of, essentially, or
actually like saute and stuff.
Really?
Yeah. Me being Italian, I have to ask, how much? You want to check the price on a Thermomix? Sure. When I say obnoxious, because I think it's like closer to like 2 G's.
What?
$2 grand. Yeah.
Wow. You want to play a little prices, right? What do you think, Sebastian? The non-accessorized, straightforward Thermomix TM6 is $1,499.
Damn! It went down price.
Down a little bit. It went down.
Oh, my bad, Thermomix.
It went.
Is it available at Costco?
200克盐碎液可以用最多300克的葡萄籽油，在60摄氏度的环境下打碎，把香气提出来。
哇，好了，他们完全看不到那个盐碎啦。对，只是油啊，油，青色的油。We really need to blend this.
That's cool. Look at that. Oh, it's a blend. See, I've never seen anything before. Everything is new. I smell the peppercorn.
Yes. This is the white chocolate, so I'm going to warm it a little bit.
Yes. Very high tech.
And he is here to help us test this beast of a kitchen gadget, the Thermomix.
So it's basically the kitchen gadget that can do everything. You don't need a food processor or a stand mixer or a blender. It can do all that.
Thermomix has 12 functionalities.
Milling or grinding, cooking, emulsifying, whipping, steaming, mixing, stirring, blending, chopping, kneading, precise heating, and weighing.
Will this automatically stop?
Yeah, see it's counting down there.
Oh my God, and it sings. I love gadgets that sing. I didn't really understand why this Thermomix was so crazy popular, but I'm sort of understanding why this could be like a revolutionary product.
Yeah, it appeals to the home cook and then also professional chefs because it's really interactive, it's easy to use.
So cool, huh? If you see a Thermomix in a movie or on TV, will you add a comment here? I would love to check it out. Thank you for watching, and as always, if you need a Thermomix in your life, please contact me, right here, or your consultant. Always buy from a consultant. You get free shipping and personalized help. Thank you.